Excuse me, sir. Would you care for some ground pepper? Yes, please.
Oh, excuse me. Look at him go. That was very considerate of you. Can I get some salt too, please? Yes, you may.
Thank you.
Our other guests applaud you. Would you care for some ground pepper?
Yes, please.
Can I get some salt too?